talking about weather in English. Before we start today, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Okay, let's start. Have you ever stood next to someone in silence and didn't know what to say? Maybe at school, maybe at work, maybe on a bus, maybe meeting someone new. And then suddenly, one simple sentence can break the silence. To us, that's nice weather today, isn't it? Yes, talking about the weather may sound simple, but it is one of the most powerful ways to start a conversation in English. Today, you are going to learn how to talk about weather naturally, confidently, and fluently. So stay with me until the end, because after this lesson, you will never feel awkward again when someone asks, "How's the weather?" And if you enjoy learning English in a fun and easy way, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Fluently and become part of our learning family. Now, let's begin. Part 1. Why do people talk about weather? You may think, why weather? Why not something more interesting? Great question. People talk about weather because it is safe, easy, universal, friendly, natural. Everyone experiences weather. Everyone understands sunshine, rain, wind, heat, and cold. That means weather is the perfect topic for small talk. Small talk is not about deep conversation. It is about connection. It helps people feel comfortable. It helps strangers become friendly. It helps conversations begin naturally. So never underestimate weather talk. It may be simple, but it opens doors. Part 2. Basic weather vocabulary. Before we speak, let's build our vocabulary. Repeat after me. Sunny. The sun is shining. Example, it's sunny today. Cloudy. There are many clouds. It looks cloudy this morning. Rainy. Rain is falling. It's rainy outside. Stormy. Heavy rain, thunder, strong wind. The weather is stormy tonight. Windy. A lot of wind. It's windy today. Snowy. Snow is falling. It's snowy in winter. Foggy. Thick mist, hard to see. It's foggy this morning. Hot, high temperature. It's very hot today. Cold, low temperature. It's cold outside. Warm, comfortably hot. It's warm and pleasant. Cool, a little cold. It's cool this evening. Excellent. Now you know the weather words people use every day. So, part 3, common questions about weather. Now let's learn natural questions. These are questions native speakers use all the time. 1. How's the weather? How's the weather today? 2. What's the weather like? What's the weather like in your city? 3. Is it hot outside? 4. Is it going to rain today? 5. What's the temperature? 6. Do you like this weather? Very useful questions. Now let's learn answers. Part 4. Natural answers. Question. How's the weather today? Answers. It's sunny and beautiful. It's rainy and wet. It's windy today. It's really hot outside. It's freezing cold. Question. Is it going to rain? Yes, I think so. No, the sky looks clear. I'm not sure. Question. Do you like this weather? Yes, I love cool weather. Not really, it's too hot. Oh, yes, it's perfect today. Wonderful. Simple answers make you sound natural. Part 5. Real conversation practice. Now let's listen to real conversations. Conversation 1. At school. Hi, nice weather today, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful. Sunny, but not too hot. Perfect day for sports. Absolutely. Conversation 2. At work. Good morning. It's raining again. I know, I forgot my umbrella. Oh no, you can borrow mine later. Thank you so much. Conversation 3. On the bus. It's so cold today. Yes, winter is here. I can't wait for summer. Me too. See? Weather creates easy conversation. Part 6. Voice style practice. Now I'll show you how to speak naturally with emotion, not like a robot, like a real person. Robotic. It is sunny today. Natural voice style. Wow, it's sunny today. Robotic. It is very cold. Natural voice style. It's freezing today. Robotic. It might rain later. Natural voice style. Looks like it might rain later. Use feeling in your voice. That is how fluent speakers sound alive. Part 7. Talking about seasons. Weather and seasons go together. Spring. Warm, flowers bloom. Spring is fresh and beautiful. Summer. Hot, sunny, vacation time. Summer is my favorite season. Autumn or fall. Cool, leaves change color. Autumn is calm and relaxing. Winter. Cold, snow, cozy clothes.
Winter can be freezing. Ask someone, what's your favorite season? Answer, I love winter because I enjoy cold weather. Thank you very much. Part 8, Common Mistakes Learners Make. Let's fix common mistakes. How is weather? How's the weather? It have rains. It's raining. Today very hot. It's very hot today. I am like winter. I like winter. Sky is many clouds. The sky is cloudy. Practice correct English every day. Part 9, Advanced Natural Questions. Now level up your English. It's lovely out, meaning the weather is beautiful. It's pouring, meaning heavy rain. It's drizzling, meaning light rain. Is boiling, meaning very hot. It's freezing, meaning very cold. There's a breeze, meaning light wind. Looks like a storm is coming. These expressions sound more fluent and natural. Part 10, Daily Life Situations. At a cafe. Nice day today. Yes, perfect weather for coffee outside. At the park. It's warm today. Yes, let's go for a walk. Online chat. How's the weather there? Rainy and cold. What about you? Sunny and warm. Part 11, Confidence Practice. Many learners know words, but they feel shy. Remember this. You do not need perfect grammar to communicate. You need courage. Start simple. Say, nice weather today. It's hot today. Looks like rain. One sentence can start a conversation. Confidence grows with action. Speak today, not tomorrow. Part 12, Repetition Practice. Repeat after me. It's sunny today. It's raining outside. It's windy this morning. It's cold tonight. It's hot this afternoon. It's cloudy now. It might rain later. I love this weather. Again, faster. It's sunny today. It's raining outside. It's windy this morning. It's cold tonight. It's hot this afternoon. Excellent job. Start tune. Story time. Let me tell you a short story. One day, a student named Alex moved to a new city. He wanted to make friends, but he was nervous. He didn't know how to start conversations. And the bus stop, he stood the same another student. There was silence. Then Alex remembered something simple. He smiled and said, "Cold morning, isn't it?" The other student smiled back. "Yes, I stood on my jacket." They laughed, and they talked, they became friends. One started it. Not a fake speech, not perfect English, just one simple weather sentence. Fun. Part 14, Speak like a native tip. Instead of saying, "The weather is very hot today," try, "It's so hot today." Shorter, more natural. Instead of, "I think it'll rain soon," try, "Looks like rain." Simple English is powerful English. Part 15, Listening Challenge. And I will say something. Dance you understand. Looks cloudy, say. It's freezing outside. What a lovely day. Get an umbrella and they race to face a nice cool freeze. If you understand me, then you are improving fast. Part 16, Confession for Leaders. You may feel your English is slow. Maybe you make mistakes. And maybe you feel embarrassed. That's okay. Every fluent speaker is once a beginner. Every thought that appears is once nervous.